All right, this one is wild. A fake AI coding assistant just snuck into the official VS Code marketplace, and thousands of developers downloaded it before anyone realized it was actually a malware. Now, let's break this down. What happened? The entire Moltbot, Clawdbot, whatever bot situation. Now, if you were to go to Google, you search for Clawdbot, you're gonna see a bunch of videos, and if you click on view all, that's a lot of videos. This is what we are going to discuss today. So first, the quick context I want you to understand from this video. Moltbot, formerly known as Clawbot, is one of the open source AI agent that blew up recently. It can automate stuff on your computer, interact with apps, send messages, basically like a DIY AI assistant that runs locally. Developers loved it because it went viral, and that's exactly when the trouble started. Now, while Molbot was trending, someone uploaded a VS Code extension called Clawdbot AI Agent Assistant or Clawdbot Agent AI Coding Assistant, something like that. This look legit because it has the same name, the same vibe, except it wasn't from the Molbot team at all. Now, once this extension is installed, this thing didn't help you code. It quietly chopped a remote access payload onto your machine. That means the attacker could potentially one command, steal data, and pivot deeper into your system. Now, security researchers noticed weird behaviors, outbound connections, suspicious scripts, and trace it back to the extensions. So Microsoft pulled it from the marketplace very quickly, but not before it has like a lot of download and install. Now, so let's just discuss, why this happened. So this is what happened, when a project goes viral overnight. So attackers, no developer, the developers, they trust the VS Code marketplace. I mean, we trust a marketplace. If something is on Google Play Store, if it is on Apple Play Store, we trust it. They know people are curious about new AI tools, and they know that if they copy the name of something trending, someone's going to click install. So how to say safe, with like something like that, because this is a lesson learned for each one of us. For example, if I were to go to my VS Code right here, when you go to VS Code, like if you were to get an extension, I can go there, see if I just do Moltbot. Oh, yeah, I can see, I see one of them is here. So what I want you to do, if you install anything with the name of Clawbot or Molbot from the VS Code Marketplace, please come and double check. As you can see, their download is only 16. This probably is legit, but everybody's afraid now and remove it. So remove anything suspicious, and as always, verify the publisher. Yeah, always verify. Read to the description, verify the website and the publisher. Check if they have a GitHub link. Make sure that you check it, and do not, I repeat, do not install random AI tools just because they look cool. So now, what is the key takeaway, from this video? So AI tools are evolving fast, and we are all aware. And so these scammers. So if you want a breakdown of the real Molbot and why it went viral in the first place, let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video useful or helpful, make sure that you click on the like button so the algorithm doesn't think that I'm a malware.